Did you know that stress and anxiety can cause shallow breathing? And that can create difficulty to relax and take a deep and calming breaths. Also, poor air quality, allergens, and pollutants can worsen our breathing, and that can lead to irritation. That's why I would like to share with you my personal experience with one essential oil blend that helps me every time when there is some kind of stressor happening in my life and I cannot take deep breath. My name is Eva Shevtsova and I'm a holistic health and business mentor. I help busy women just like you to create healthy lifestyle for yourself and your family with natural solutions. Here is my miracle essential oil blend called Breathe or Easy Air. It's a beautiful blend of eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree oil, lemon, cardamom, ravinzara, and ravenzara. I like to use this blend in two different forms. One is already diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so I can apply directly on my chest, massage it in, and take deep breaths. The second way is add 3 to 5 drops of this blend into your diffuser and let your whole family enjoy the scent. I'd like to share with you one more tip. If you enjoy warm bath, take Epsom salt and few drops of this blend and enjoy soothing and relaxing bath. Now, if you don't have bathtub, no worries. Just take a sponge, add 2 to 3 drops of this blend on the sponge, place it on the floor in the shower and let it diffuse. If you enjoyed my tips, just comment below. Easy breathing.